A numbers file, or document, can contain many different sheets, and sheets can contain many different tables. So here we have in our document, we have a bar across the top that lists all the different sheets. In this case we just have one sheet, the default one you get with the blank template. We can create new sheets by hitting the plus button here, and it creates sheet 2. We can continue to create more sheets. Sheets are like different pages in a word processing document. We have a large table here in sheet 1, a smaller table in sheet 2, and a similar smaller table in sheet 3. The tables themselves are elements that can be moved around. You've got this handle here at the upper left hand corner of a table that you can click and drag and move around. You can click and drag these handles to reduce the number of columns and the number of rows in a table. And you can click and drag the handle at the bottom right hand corner to add or remove both rows and columns. You can select an entire table and then hit the delete key on the keyboard to delete it. I'll use Command Z to undo and get it back. You can have more than one table on a sheet. I'll hit the table button here and select a table to add a second. So now with two tables on a sheet I can move them around and arrange them as I want. There are other elements you can put on a sheet as well. We'll learn about those in this course. For instance, you can put charts on a sheet, text boxes, shapes, other media like images as well. So a sheet is kind of like this canvas that you can work with. You can add tables and different elements to it, and you can have one or more sheets inside your document representing different parts of the project that you're working on.